What if ancient people had power, not symbolic power, not political power, but literal electrical power? 2,000 years ago, this is the story of the Baghdad Battery, or what might be one. In 1936, a strange relic was unearthed near modern-day Baghdad, a clay jar. Inside it, an iron rod, surrounded by a copper cylinder. No carvings, no writing, no clear purpose. But when modern scientists recreated it, they got voltage. Just a fraction of a volt, but still electricity. So now the question burns. Was this the world's first battery? Because this object dates to around 200 BC, that's more than 1,800 years before Benjamin Franklin flew his famous kite. More than 2,000 years before Volta's name was slapped on volts. If it's real, it rewrites tech history. But that's a big if. Some scholars say it's a ritual object, a container for scrolls or sacred oil, nothing electrical. Others say maybe it's both. Think about it, priests performing rites with glowing rods, mysterious sparks, divine energy channeling from clay, electricity mistaken for gods. Let's talk how it works. The jar, rod, and copper only function as a battery if you add one key ingredient: acid, vinegar, lemon juice, or fermented wine. Something the ancients had, something they used often. When that liquid fills the jar, the iron and copper react. Electrons move, power is born. Modern tests show it can power a tiny LED. Others have used replicas to plate coins with metal. Electroplating, in 200 BC. That's not just advanced, it's unexpected. Could they have used these jars to treat wounds, electrify relics, etch sacred objects, or something stranger? Cue the ancient alien crowd. Some believe these batteries were part of a forgotten global network: Egyptian light bulbs, Peruvian rods, even Mayan capacitors. A technopast lost to time, or buried, on purpose. But here's the truth, none of that is proven. What's real is the jar, the metal, the current, and the mystery. In the end, maybe it was just a ritual container. Maybe it was a battery. Maybe it was both. Maybe 2,000 years ago, someone reached out with clay, copper, and vinegar and touched electricity without even knowing its name. This is Relic Riddles, where history hums, charges, and sparks. Subscribe to plug into the past and stay current with the strange.